Welcome to our Hyros review. You can find our in-depth review article in the description. Hyros is a hyper-accurate software that essentially has been designed for tracking digital businesses. Hyros provides the following features: Add attribution, tracking emails, long-term value, call tracking, etc. Hyros Pricing, for the most part, starts with $199 a month, which lies in the affordable section. Hyros also provides you with an option to particularly go for a free demo where no pricing system is involved. Hyros is an ad tracking technology that enables you to see every stage of a customer's journey and receive information about their conversions. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. Subscribe and like the video.